recipient, 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 auto-reply, 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 spam, spam, spam,
thread, thread, thread,
urgent, 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 recipient. For example, add the recipient's email address in the to field. Auto-reply. For example, I will set up an auto-reply message when I am out of the office. Spam. For example, check your spam folder if you don't see the email in your inbox.
Thread.
For example, please read through the entire email thread before responding. Urgent. For example, mark the email as urgent if it requires immediate attention.